how you can turn any 4G network to 5G for faster internet connection. So there has been a new APN code going around in the internet that supposedly can turn any 4G network and convert it to 5G, or in the worst case, it can make your 4G connection faster. Okay, so if you are experiencing a slow connection on your 4G network, then give this a try and see if it works for you. Alright, so to set up this new APN, then we are going to go to our phone settings, click on SIM and network settings. Now if you are using 2 SIM cards, then you select the preferred one that you want to apply the settings on. I'm going to do it on my MTN SIM card, so I'm going to click on the SIM one, that is MTN. And then I'm going to scroll all the way to where I'll find access point names. In short, it is APN. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. Now we are going to add the new APN, so you can click on the addition button at the bottom right corner, wherever you have it on your phone, locate it and click on it. Okay, all right, so now we are going to input some values here, so do exactly as you see on the screen. So the first one is name, so click on it and then enter these values: 4.4.8.8 space, then 5G, and click on OK. Right, so the next one is APN, so click on it and then enter 4.4.8.8 space 5G space not 4G, then click OK. So now leave the rest and scroll down to the server, click on it and then enter www.google.com and click on OK. Now scroll down to where it says APN type, click on it and type this word default. It should start with a small letter, okay, and click on OK. The next one just beneath it is APN protocol, so click on it and then select IP version 4/IP version 6, and just below it we have the APN roaming protocol, so do the same thing, select the version 4 and version 6. Alright, so the next one, come to the barrier and click on it. Now uncheck the unspecified, that's the first one, and then select the rest, all of them, select them, then click OK. Alright, so that is it. So cross check with the values that you've entered. If everything matches with my own, then you are good to go. So once you are done, you're okay with it, come to the top right corner and click on the correct symbol to save. Alright, so select the new APN that is created. Alright, so the final thing for you to do is to go ahead and reboot your phone, so don't forget this. Alright, so after you finish restarting the phone, try browsing to see if you got a better internet. Okay, so in my case it didn't turn it to 5G. However, for some people it does work well, mostly in India and mainly on their Jio and Airtel networks. Okay, right, so some people the symbol is going to remain 4G, but it's going to improve your internet connection. Others too, it's not going to work at all for you. So if that's the case, what you have to do is that you just have to come back to the APN settings and you're going to click on the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner there, and then you are going to click reset to default. So it's going to clear all the APN that we added. It's going to clear all the settings away and then set it back to how it was. Okay, that is in the case where it doesn't work at all, it didn't improve your internet connection. So if that's the case too, you can also check other videos on this channel, how to change your DNS settings to improve your internet connection. Alright, so if this video worked for you, leave it in the comment section to help others. Hope to see you next time again, and then goodbye.